Baby, get your phone because you're about to make money with it today. I found a free app where big brands will pay you to take pictures on your phone. No fancy camera, no equipment, and you don't have to spend a dime. Literally, if you can tap your phone, you can do this. I'm dropping a major gem here because this is the same free app that I use to get brand deals with DoorDash and Starburst. And today I'm going to show you this free app, how to get paid, and find even more legit apps like this one. But you know what you got to do? Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content by hitting the thumbs up button, and also hype this video up so I can keep bringing you free content. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this free app that pays you to take pictures. Let's go. Listen here, after I drop this gem, none of y'all better not come in my comments telling me you're broke ever again if you have an iPhone up in your hands, okay? I know Android users, y'all get all funny with that. Y'all too. You're gonna put that phone to work. Look at these brands. Do any of them look familiar? DoorDash, Pantene, Reese's. Y'all give these companies free advertising every day anyway. Taking pictures of your food, showing what you bought, telling everybody what shampoo you use. They might as well run you your coins right now. This app is called Kale. Kale connects creators with brand campaigns that are paying real money. And I'm not just talking about professional creators. I'm talking about regular people with phones in their hands, that might not have even hit the like button yet. Y'all. And it's not just pictures. You can also submit videos that pay you even more. Now, if you've been paying attention to my recent videos, you would know I've recently been talking about UGC, user-generated content. The Kale app is another way to do it. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, UGC is basically when regular people create content for brands that brands can use on their own platforms. So you don't have to have any followers when you do this, and you typically film vertically on your phone. If you did not see my previous videos on UGC and need to understand what it's about, watch this video. But looking inside the Kale app, you can see that there are plenty of campaigns with big brands where you can submit photos, and you can even submit faceless photos. And what I really like about this app is you can see what other people have submitted so that you can get some ideas of how easy it is and what they're looking for. But they don't just have photo campaigns, they also have video campaigns. And the videos are typically really short, between like 15 and 60 seconds, like TikToks and Reels. We're not making whole movies over here, okay? Now you'll notice these little kale leaves. The more leaves attached to the campaign, the more it's paying. But we're gonna do the easiest thing today because I'm feeling quite lazy, okay? But if you look right here, you'll see that there is a Dole campaign. Yes, the pineapple people. They want a selfie with your favorite Dole product. Now, I love Dole, but unfortunately, I don't have any Dole in my home right now. But I do have to go grocery shopping today. And sorry, Dole, I will not be buying your product today, but I will be making money from it. All right, so I gotta find one of my favorite Dole products. Let's see. I love the pineapples, hands down. So, what is the pineapples? I see pears, I see cherry. Oh, okay, so found them. So in the Kale app, it's telling me to take a photo at 0.5 with the back camera. So I'm gonna make sure that the back camera is clean. Okay. And then I am going to take the photo. So let's see. 0.5, boom. And then I gotta, maybe you can help me out here. I'm gonna take a selfie. Wait, let's do it like this, in front of the Dole product. Now, my problem is I can't see the button, so. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do a couple of poses so I can, you might need some help, y'all.
Oh.
What is that? Oh, wait.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Now I got a whole bunch of photos. All right. I like that one. I like this one.
Yeah.
So now I can get paid for this photo, and I'm not even buying the product. Now I just did that campaign today, And while I'm sitting here filming this video, I got the notification that Dole accepted my photo and I earned a payment. Now for this particular campaign, just you submitting the photo will get you at least a little couple dollars. So they're paying between $2 and $5 just for submitting it. If Dole actually uses the photo, then they will pay more money. Now I got my little $2, but we all know I am not retiring off of this $2. It can buy me like a little Dunkin' coffee or something. But I did just earn a couple dollars from a product that I didn't even buy. And if they happen to use my photo, then I'll get paid more money. I want 10K.
I'm asking for 20K right away in my pockets at the end of this week.
Anyway, I didn't post that photo anywhere. This didn't require any followers. It didn't require my Instagram, my TikTok, none of that. Just a photo. But if you do have social media, and I'm not talking about having a bunch of followers, if you even have a social media platform, listen up because I'm about to help you make some more money. And remember, I told you, I've been using Kale for a while. One of the campaigns that I previously did was with DoorDash. I use DoorDash quite a bit, way more than I would like to admit. But since I was already paying somebody to come and deliver my food and paying these enormous service fees, I figured I might as well make some money from it. When I looked in Kale and saw that there was a campaign for DoorDash that I was already ordering, I was all for it. And quick tip, you don't need any special equipment for the content creation, but in order for your photos and videos to come out better, I do suggest get you like a ring light or something and make sure you're not using your phone from like 2005, so try to get like a phone with an updated camera. I did make it easy for you guys and I put together some of my favorite content creation tools. Most of these I use myself, so I'm going to link my Amazon storefront to this video and I'll put the link in the description so you can grab your equipment or that lamp that you all love. Now, I never told you that you're gonna get rich from this, but if you need extra money and you already have a phone, tapping on that screen anyway, why not make some money from it? You can just thank me by hitting the like and hype buttons, okay? In fact, I actually just hooked you up because Kale is one of the many resources that I provide inside my Elite Influencer system. It includes multiple apps and websites, over 150 direct brand contacts, email and DM templates, so you know exactly what to say to the brands, and my process on how I land higher paying opportunities, because I don't want you depending on one app to decide when you get paid. So if you're interested in my Elite Influencer system, I will link it down below and I'll also tag it in the video so you can grab it directly from here. But I want to hear from you. Did you know that you can get UGC deals from a free app? Did you know you could get paid for taking a simple photo? Have you ever heard of Kale before? I have a feeling you didn't, but let's discuss it in the comments. Now, if you found this information helpful, if I dropped any gems, if you learned anything, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you are interested in making money from your phone, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.